Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. It's been a long time I did a long form video. We all do a lot of transactions via Google Pay, and you have always noticed after doing a transaction, you can see a coupon. I rarely use those coupons because I just feel that it's just a way of marketing and everything, so I don't use the coupons much. But this one coupon caught my eye, and that was that you will be getting a foundation and a lipstick from the brand My Glamm for just 1 rupee. Come on. And yes, you'll be actually getting a foundation and lipstick, and you'll get a choice to select your color from lipstick and foundation. And then yeah, the total billing amount will be 1 rupee, but then you will have to pay the shipping charges, which is 199 rupees, which I feel is quite fair because I mean, it's 1 rupee mein kya hai? It's kind of weird to even think about it. 1 rupee mein you'll be getting foundation and lipstick. थोड़ा बहुत तो रहता ही है झोल, तो it's okay. So I ordered these two products. This is the My Glamm Pose HD foundation. This is in the shade Golden Honey. So, and this is the My Glamm LIT lipstick, liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Color Me Crazy. Now the thing is, I had ordered the color which was Boo, which was a nice dusty pink kind of a shade, an everyday kind of a shade, but I got the wrong color. I got Color Me Crazy, and this is a deep fuchsia color, which is definitely not a daily wear color. I don't like applying dark bright lipsticks on a daily basis, I would say. So yeah, so let's just try the foundation and lipstick. The quality of lipstick is very good. This is not the first time I've ordered a My Glamm lipstick. I have already used the lipsticks, and the consistency of lipsticks is very good. It's very creamy and rich. So let's start with the foundation. This 5 grams of product retails for 600 rupees. I mean, can you believe that? And this is the foundation. This has no fragrance. Okay, so let's try. I'm using the back camera, so I can't see myself, so I'll be using a mirror. Okay. Okay. This is a nice blendable kind of a texture, as you can see. I had some redness over here, which this has instantly covered. This has a very good quality, so this is very good. Okay, so this is how the foundation looks post application. This is very creamy in texture, and this is very true to my skin tone, I would say. And I'm not sure whether oily skin people can use this or not, because this is creamy in texture. So I mean, I'm not sure, but this is a blessing for dry and sensitive skin people, I would say, because my skin is feeling very soft, and this has this dewy kind of an effect, so this is looking very good. So let's try the lipstick now. I'll put it down on the screen somewhere, the shade which I had ordered and the shade which I got. This is not even pink. I don't know which shade is this. This is a deep coral color. I had ordered Boo. Okay, so let's see. I hope this looks good, because नहीं तो 1 रुपया बर्बाद हो जाएगा. See the texture and consistency of this lipstick. Just look at this. I don't know how they make this. Just a single stroke application and you get this amazing pigment. I just love their lipsticks. This is orange. I would say orange, right? Okay, I think this shade is pretty good, and quality of this lipstick is 10 on 10. I mean, amazing. So just in case, so yeah, this is how the lipstick looks like. This is how the foundation looks like. I think this is worth all the money you put in, whether the coupon is there or not. But I genuinely think that if you want to buy these products from this brand, I think you should definitely give this a shot, because the foundation is extremely good, and the lipstick is also very good, very nice shade. So I'll put the link of these two products in the description box. If you want, you can give this a shot. Otherwise, they have this wide range of products, and I bet everything would be worth the price. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.